The main objective of U-Elcome is ensure routine commercial drone operations in Europe for 2026. We will have ENAIRE U-Hub, that is the CISP, 2 USSP, ENAIRE and Dahlia, the drone control vertiport platform of Blue Nest, and we will do a communication with the control tower of Barajas Airport. We will connect with ATC unit of the control tower of Madrid Barajas, and they will do the dynamic space reconfiguration. This will be the first time that that procedure is done coordinated with ATC unit. Thank you very much. Next slide.